short film, but I accidentally hit record.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Breckinridge County in north-central Kentucky, southeastern Hancock County, Kentucky, northeastern Ohio County, Kentucky, southern Perry County, and south-central Indiana until 7:35
Obviously, Perry County. We've already heard this.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of
How
severe
many
thunderstorms
bulletins?
capable of producing.
I thought it'd go off from here, but turns out not.
These storms were located along the line extending from Skildon to Herbert, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will also impact Bolton, Batesville, Lawler, and Janesville. Globe Report, Victoria Crossroads and Easton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:35 p.m. The National Weather Service in Louisville.